as I mentioned before, one of the real strengths of Maya is the ability to create very complex and realistic looking surfaces on objects. Now there's a whole lot to do in Maya with surfaces, so we couldn't begin to cover all of it in this course, but we're going to do a little bit. We're going to at least start you down the path to that, and then in the following course we're going to do a good bit more actually. So here we go. We're going to come to the sphere on the left, and we're going to right click on it and select Assign New Material. And there are our material choices. We're going to choose a Blinn material here, so click Blinn. And then if you notice, it's the sphere got shiny, and we've got this material attributes over here. And one of these attributes is called color, and we've got this little gray box here. So click on the gray box and this color selector comes up. Now there's all kinds of ways that you can select a color in this. It's really kind of amazing. If you look, there's these preset colors, preset grayscales. There's different numeric values you can set in 3 different ways to do that. There's this color wheel, there's this saturation square, just all kinds of things. We'll talk about some of those later, but for right now, we're just going to select this red preset material. It's just basically a basic red, solid red material. So there it goes. There's red on the sphere. You can see it's got the highlight. Now let's choose the other sphere. Right click, Assign New Material, and of course there's all the materials in the world here, it looks like. I'm just going to select another common material. This one's called Lambert. So click on that, and now you see it's got the material, but it's not shiny. That's one of the basic differences in a Lambert material. But let's come over here to the attribute editor, to that gray square. There's our same color selector. Again, we could do all kinds of things, but I'm just going to set this to this red preset, and there it is. So I'm going to unclick the wireframe just for now so you can see the objects just in all their glory. And this is just a computer screen, so these aren't really materials, but you can kind of think of these and look at them and say, well, you know, the one on the right sort of would look like what maybe a rubber ball might look like a handball. The one on the left maybe looks a little bit more like a billiard ball, so you can kind of think of the one on the right as being a little on the squishy side, the one on the left being something with a hard surface. But really, these are just computer images that we're trying to make look this way. And there's actually a whole lot more that we can do to make them look a whole lot more like specific materials. And that's part of all of that, that power of Maya. And this has just been the first step. We'll end this video here.